The word Shiva means that which is not, a pure conscious state of nothingness, the source and the fundamental quality of every creation and destruction in our entire cosmos. It is the womb from which everything is born and the emptiness into which everything is sucked back. Sounds a little familiar. These ancient concepts mirror the scientific terms we know today as the Big Bang and the Big Crunch. In many cultures across the globe, the customary answer is that a god or gods created the universe out of nothing. But what if we dared to question this? What if we asked, then where did God come from? If we accept that this is an unanswerable question, why not conclude that the origin of the universe is an unanswerable question? These are not easy questions, but Vedic cosmology brings us face to face with these questions that were once treated only in religion and myth, offering us some of the most sophisticated cosmological ideas ever known to humanity. In Vedic tradition, there is no one single universe, but there are infinite number of universes that are being created and destroyed at the same time. In other words, our universe belongs to a larger multiverse. Our universe may die, but the multiverse goes to live on. In Vedic tradition, just like the Big Bang theory, every universe comes into existence from a single point, which goes on to expand to take the shape of almost a cosmic egg. Each cosmic egg has primarily 5 elements with the help of which life evolves in the universe. Prithvi or Earth, not to be confused with planet Earth. Jal or water. Agni or fire. Vayu or air. Akasa or space. Each egg is even further divided into 14 lokas or planetary planes of existence, 7 higher and 7 lower. When looked upon from the top, these dimensions or plane of existence include the Satyaloka or the abode of Brahma, the creation energy, Tapalok, Janalok, Maharlok, Swaralok, Bhuvarlok, and Bhuloka, or the plane where the Earth exists along with other Earth-like planets. So now the next question arises. If indeed these Earth-like planets exist in the plane of Bhuloka, why can't we, humans, see them? Now there are 2 theories popular in the world of science. The first one is the observable universe theory, and that the Earth-like planets mentioned in these Vedas exist outside of the observable universe,
This theory states that with the technology that currently exists on Earth, we can only see an observable section of our entire universe, beyond which humanity currently doesn't possess the technology to see.
The other point is not exactly a theory, but instead a true fact that coincides with the vast distances of intergalactic travel.
Even though humanity is able to observe galaxies at vast distances through the James Webb and Hubble telescope, it doesn't possess the technology to see what is happening on the surface of the planets that are present in millions in these n number of galaxies. When we go down the plane of our Earth or Bhuloka, we have the 7 lower planetary planes of existence: Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Mahatala, Rasatala, and Patala.
Each of their 14 planetary planes have their own speciality and purpose, as well as their own governing physical laws that differ from each other in various aspects.
Each of these again containing hundreds of planets with their own species and biological differences. These 14 upper and the lower planetary plane makes up what is known as Hiranyagarbha, or one cosmic egg. Each cosmic egg has its own creation energy, personified as Brahma, who with her feminine co-energy, Ma Saraswati, or the knowledge or the physical rules that exist in an universe, create that particular universe, which is then sustained and maintained by the energy personified as Garbhodakshayani Vishnu, with his female co-energy Mahalakshmi, the personification of prosperity that is present in every living being seen across the cosmos. After a certain mathematical timescale, everything, with the help of the energy personified as Shiva, along with his feminine co-energy Ma Shakti, eventually collapse back into the same point. A scientific concept termed as the Big Crunch, only to be born again from the same exact point.
Since there is a new creation after every destruction, in the Vedic tradition, destruction isn't considered a bad thing. After all, Lord Shiva has a divine duty of ending the current universe, so to pave way for a new beginning, and he is worshipped across the country for doing so.
But Vedic cosmology doesn't stop there. It also tells us what lies beyond the cosmic egg or our universe. Beyond the Hiranyagarbha or the cosmic egg of our universe, there are n number of other universes. Each universe has its own Trinitarian energy: Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, and each existing at the same time parallel to each other with their own features. There is no point of beginning or end to this cosmic web of infinite universes. You can view it as a cosmic ocean in which these infinite number of universes are created and destroyed. the abode of the formless and the absolute, the finite and the infinite, that which is there and that which is now.
In Vedic tradition, there exist separate sects that call this state by different names. By which name do you wish to call the state? I leave that to you.
As the dial of the cosmic clock passed, the belief of the people of India on the cosmic creation has sustained. Throughout the ages, the people who believe in the Vedic tradition have found ways to stay connected with these cosmic truths. India's profound connection with the cosmos is beautifully reflected in its festivals that are aligned with celestial events and cycles that are described in the Vedas. These celebrations are not just cultural events, but are deeply intertwined with celestial movements and cosmic activities, creating a harmonious blend of spirituality and cosmology.
Jyotisha Shastra or Vedic astrology is an ancient system that intertwines the celestial with the terrestrial, often connecting cosmology with spirituality.
Deeply rooted in the Vedic tradition, Jyotisha is not merely a tool for predicting future events, but a profound science deeply connected with cosmology.
It is considered to play very crucial roles in making personal decisions like the right time to enter into the alliance of a marriage or even to start a business based on certain planetary positions.
Central to Vedic Jyotisha are the nakshatras or lunar mansions. These 27 segments of the sky correspond to specific constellations and are critical in understanding the cosmic blueprint. Each nakshatra has its unique qualities and mythological stories, influencing personality traits and life events.
It craves its way into the lives of common people through several festivals celebrated across the year, one of them being the festival of Makar Sankranti.
It marks the sun's transition into the zodiac sign of Capricorn, known as Makara in Sanskrit. This festival, celebrated in middle of January, signifies the end of the winter solstice and the beginning of longer days.
The Navagrahas, or the 9 planets of our solar system, if you include Pluto, also play a very crucial role in Vedic Jyotisha Shastra.
Each planet is governed by a deity, or to understand it better, it embodies specific energies that influence various aspects of life. The alignment and the movement of these planets are meticulously observed to understand their impact on individuals and the world. The festival of Kumbh, the largest gathering of humans at a single place, is celebrated every 12 years to celebrate every revolution that Brihaspati or Jupiter completes around the sun. Yoga and meditation, emphasizing oneness and harmony with the cosmos, mythological stories and cultural narratives that can be seen embedded in the architecture of temples, art, literature, and in every other fabric of the society. And even majority of the Vedic hymns that are dedicated to invoking celestial deities like Surya, the energy of sun, and Chandra, the energy of moon.
These are some of the many ways that shows the profound connection between the grand celestial moments and the earthly experiences, underscoring the timeless wisdom of the Vedas to live in harmony with the universe. In many cultures across the globe, science, especially cosmology, and religion have often been seen at odds with each other, locked in a struggle over truth and existence.
Certain school of beliefs traditionally view the universe as a creation of God, who has strict moral codes and seen as an authoritative divine figure. Meanwhile, science seeks explanations through observation and evidence, often challenging these belief doctrines.
Booster ignition and liftoff of Discovery, hoisting harmony to the heavens and opening new gateways for international science. Discovery has cleared the tower.
However, the Vedic approach of cosmology offers a unique perspective that bridges this perceived divide.
Unlike the rigid binaries of certain belief systems, in Vedic tradition, knowledge is given the paramount position, and individuals are encouraged to explore it responsibly. Here, God is not a strict authority figure, but a guide, akin to a mentor who fosters growth and learning.
Vedic philosophers often blend Vedic approach of cosmology with science, often seeing no difference between the two.
This fusion is rooted in the belief that there are multiple truths and paths to the divine truth and the creation of the universe itself. And the ultimate truth about existence may remain unknown until death or enlightenment. A humble acknowledgement that fuels continuous exploration.
Since we are now aware of the different aspects of the Vedic cosmology, so now the next question arises. Is all of this true? Is this how creation has taken place? Is this how our universe exists?
Then even non-existence was not there, nor existence. There was no air then, nor the space beyond it. What covered it? Where was it? In whose keeping? Was there then cosmic fluid in depths unfathomed? At first, there was only darkness wrapped in darkness. All this was only unillumined cosmic water, but one which came to be, enclosed in nothing, arose at last, born of the power of knowledge. But after all, who knows and who can say whence it all came, and how creation happened? The gods themselves are later than creation, so who knows truly whence it has arisen? Whence all creation had its origin, the Creator, whether he fashioned it or whether he did not. The Creator, who surveys it all from highest heaven, he knows, or maybe even he does not know.
These hymns are from the ancient Nasidiya suttas present in the Vedas that talk about the creation of our universe. Despite being present in the Vedas, these hymns do not make an absolute claim. They proclaim that who may know who created our universe, or maybe He who is the highest, He may know how the universe was created, or maybe even He doesn't know.